Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today we're gonna review Rev OS with Miui 12. So finally Rev OS made an official OS for the Miui 12 and it's pretty stable as far as I know. So on this OS you will get Play Store with Miui 12 and that's pretty cool because the Chinese ROM doesn't even have Play Store. You have to manually install the G apps. This is the cool thing. Also you will get Google Assistant as well, which is pretty cool. Also all the Google apps that you needed. If you guys need the Chrome and other stuff, you can still manually install it using the Play Store. It comes with the manual camera control enabled. So if you go to this app, and as you can see, everything, manual focus, manual white balance, everything is enabled, so you can easily install any of the Gcam app on your smartphone using this ROM. Also you can update anytime you want. You will get manual updates, so you just have to flash that file using any recovery option. You can also enable auto update using Orange Fox recovery. There is float screen enabled, so if you go in the middle you will see the option for the float windows, and with that you can just enable any windows you want, and you can even adjust it as well. These are the cool features you're gonna get on this Rev OS in Miui 12. There are way too many new features, and also if you go to the settings, all specs, you will able to see this is based on the Android 10 as always. So yeah, these are some of the options I featured in the Rev OS. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can install this on your smartphone. So as always, just turn off your device. Also you will get option for the recovery mode on this OS, so if you want to go to the recovery mode you don't have to always press those buttons, so that's pretty cool feature. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can install it. So first go shut down your phone. Now as always, press the volume up and the power button together to go to the recovery mode. Okay, so after you go to the recovery mode, all you have to do is go to the wipe and select all those options and just wipe this. Now go back. So these three files are needed to install this ROM. So first I'm just gonna flash this FW. I'm gonna go back and flash this main file. So as you can see, now it's installing the Miui. This will take some time. So yeah, after this go back and install the disabler. Okay, now go back again and reboot the system. So now as you can see, it's showing the Miui logo and also this animation. So now all I have to do is wait. So yeah, now we are on to the setup. Now just click on the next. You make sure to choose the English. Default language is not in English. You can just skip all of this. Make sure you add fingerprint. Okay, so now you can choose anything you want. I choose this default one. Now I'm gonna choose the button because I don't have time to set the gestures. So that's how you can install Miui 12 Rev on your smartphone. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.